Good morning, students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is solution of homogeneous system of linear equations. So in this topic, we will discuss the condition for the solution of homogeneous system of linear equations, and then we take up some examples. So consider the system of three equations in three unknowns as a1 x1 plus a2 y plus a3 z is equal to m1, b1 x plus b2 y plus b3 z is equal to m2, c1 x plus c2 y plus c3 z is equal to m3. Now I want to write this system of linear equations in matrix form. So I will write it as a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3 as the coefficient of the matrix, and the variables x, y, z, these are known as unknowns, and m1, m2, m3, these are constants. Now the condition is if m1, m2, m3, these all three becomes 0, then we will get b as 0, and this becomes the homogeneous system of linear equations. But if one of the m1 is non-zero or all are non-zero, then this is the non-homogeneous system of linear equations. Now, what do you mean by inconsistent system of equations? A system of equations having no solution is said to be inconsistent system of equations. And a system of equations having one solution or more solution, then it is said to be consistent system of linear equations. Now for the homogeneous system of linear equations, Ax is equal to 0. Here x is equal to 0 is always a solution of this equation, and it is said to be null solution or the trivial solution. Now what we do, we write the matrix A and find out its rank. If rank of A, this is equal to number of unknowns. Number of unknowns are x, y, z. Say if we take the matrix of order 3, so this is the condition for the trivial solution. Your rank of A, it should be equal to number of unknowns. But if your rank, this is less than number of unknowns, then you have infinite number of non-trivial solutions. Now in this homogeneous system of equations, only elementary row operations are allowed. Column operations are not allowed. What are the three elementary row operations? Those are Rij, Ri, Ri plus Krj. Now another remark is homogeneous system of linear equations. It has a non-trivial solution if one condition gets satisfied. That condition is determinant of A, this should be equal to 0. Now take up one example. Solve this system of equations. So here you can see that right hand side is given to be 0. This means it is a homogeneous system of equations. So we write it in matrix form. It becomes Ax is equal to 0. So we write the coefficients of the matrix A, and x is the matrix of unknowns which we have to find. So what will we do? We will apply elementary operations. So first operation is R2 minus 2R1, because I need 0 over here, 0 over here. So what operation I will apply? R2 minus 2R1. So I will get 0 over here. Then minus 1 into minus 1 minus of 3 into 2, that is 6. So minus 1 minus 6, that will give you minus 7. And similarly the next entry will be minus 1. Now the next elementary operation is R3 minus 3R1. So the entries of R3, they get subtracted from the entries of R1 when they get multiplied with 3. So you will get 0, minus 14 and minus 2. Now what we do, we divide by 2 row R3. So what I am getting, 0 minus 7 minus 1. Now you are seeing that the R2 and R3 both are the same. So what I do, I apply the elementary operation R3, R3 minus R2. Then entries of R3, they becomes 0. Now you can see that this matrix get reduced to the rational matrix. So number of pivots, that will give you the rank of the matrix. Here the number of pivots are 1 and minus 7. So 2 number of pivots are there and number of unknowns are 3. So 2 is less than 3. This means system of equations has infinite number of solutions. So how you will write these? These equations will be written like minus 7y minus 1z is equal to 0. What you will do? You will write the matrix Ax is equal to 0. A is this one, x is the value of the unknowns x, y and z. So what you will get, minus 7y minus z is equal to 0. Next equation will be x plus 3y plus 2z. This is equal to 0. Now you can see that we have two equations in three unknowns. So one variable we have to assume as k. So let us take z is equal to k. So from putting z is equal to k in this equation, you will get the value of y, and when you obtain the value of y from this equation, substitute the value of y and z over here, you will get the value of x. So what are the values? Y will be minus k by 7 and x will be minus 3y minus 2z. Substituting the values of y and z, you will get 3k by 7 minus 2k, where k is a arbitrary constant. It can take any values. So this means this system of equations has infinite number of solutions. Now the next question is, solve x plus y minus 2z plus 3w is equal to 0. You can see that it is a homogeneous system of equations. So the coefficient matrix, this will be, you just have to write the coefficients of x, y, z and w. So what you will get, 1, 1, minus 2, 3, 1, minus 2, 1, minus 1, 4, 1, minus 5, 8, 5, minus 7, 2 and minus 1. So it becomes the coefficient matrix. Now what will I do? I will apply the elementary row operation. So first of all, I will try to make this entry as 0. So what will apply? R2 minus R1. Then R3 minus 4R1. Then R5, R4 minus 5R1. So all these entries, they become 0. So what I am getting? I am getting this matrix. Now you can see that on applying the operations, R2 and R3, they become same. Now I apply R4 as 1 by 4 R4. So what I will get? I will get again minus 3, 3 and minus 4. Now you can see that all the second row, third row and fourth row are same. So what will I apply? I apply R3 minus R2. So I will get the R3 as 0. Then R4 minus R3. Again all entries becomes 0. So what I am getting? I am getting the second row as well as the third row as 0. Now we are getting the matrix in rational form. As the matrix is in rational form, so number of pivots are 2, 1 and minus 3. So rank of A, this is equal to 2. Number of unknowns are 4. So system of equations, it has infinite number of solutions. So what equation it becomes? We will getting the equation minus 3y plus 3z minus 4w is equal to 0. X plus y minus 2z plus 3w is equal to 0. Now we are getting two equations in four unknowns. So as we are getting two equations in four unknowns, what will I do? I will assume two variables. Say z is equal to k1 and w is equal to k2. So from this equation, I will get the value of y as k1 minus 4 by 3 k2. Now I have the values of x, y, z and w. So just substitute all the values over here. I will get the value of x. So after solving it, you will get the value of x as k1 minus 5 by 3 k2. So just correct it. This is x. Now take up another example. Show that the system of equations 2x minus 2y plus z is equal to mu x, 2x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to mu y, minus x plus 2y is equal to mu z can possesses a non-trivial solution. Condition is mu is equal to 1 or minus 3. Then you have to obtain the general solution for each case when mu is equal to 1 and when mu is equal to 3. So what will we do? We have this system of equations. We write it as the in the homogeneous form. So mu x get shifted over here. So you will get 2 minus mu x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0, and I am getting these three equations, right? Now what are the coefficients of x, y, z? They are written in the coefficient matrix. These are these. X is the number of unknowns. Now we know that homogeneous system of equations, it has a non-trivial solution if determinant of A is equal to 0. So what I do? I will take the determinant of this matrix A is equal to 0. So when you expand this by R1 or by R1 or by R2 or by R3, then we get the values of mu as 1 or minus 3. You can expand it. A lot of questions we did on the determinants. So I think you can easily find the value of mu is equal to 1 and mu is equal to minus 3. Now we have to find the solutions. Now for mu is equal to 1, whatever the equation was there in mu, in that equation we take mu is equal to 1. So what we will get? We will get this system of equations: x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0, 2x minus 4y plus 2z is equal to 0, minus x plus 2y minus z is equal to 0. Now let us take y is equal to k1 and z is equal to k2, because all the three equations we are getting as same. So one equation in three variables. So how to solve that? Let us take the value of y and z as k1 and k2. This will give you the value of x. So value of x, it comes out to be 2k1 minus k2. Now k1 and k2, they can take any value, so we will get infinitely many solutions. Now let us take mu is equal to minus 3. Now when we put mu is equal to minus 3 in the given system of equations, we get this system of equations. Now I want to solve this system of equations. So it is a three equations in three unknowns. So you can solve it by any of the method, or by you can solve it by making the coefficients equal, or you can solve it by this method, cross method. So you will get the values of x, y and z as x is equal to x. You are getting x is by minus 4, y by minus 8, z by 4. How we are getting? So first of all, you hide x and multiply the entries of y. First, so when you multiply minus 2 with 0, or you can take first and third equation, because in these two equations, x, y and z variables are there. In second equation, y variable is missing, so you can write 0 y over there, right? So when you solve it, you will write x, then minus 2 get multiplied with 3 and minus of 2 into 1. So when you solve it, you will get minus 4. Then hide y and multiply 1 with minus 1, minus of 5 with 3. You will get y as minus 8. Then hide z and multiply 5 with 2, minus of minus 1 with minus 2. So you will get z divided by 4. So as 4 is common from there, so you can cancel 4, or you can cancel minus 4. So you will get x divided by 1, y divided by 2, z divided by minus 1 is equal to kc. So you will get the values, x is equal to k1, y is equal to 2k2, z is equal to minus k1. So as k1, uh, it is a arbitrary constant and it can take any value. So we will get infinite number of non-trivial solutions. Thanks to all. If you are new to my channel, just like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks again.